Hi children, good morning. Last class I have completed with digestive system of human being. Today I am going to start another system called human excretory system. What is excretory system and what is its main function? What are the organs involved in the excretory function and its structure and mechanism of urine formation? All we are going to discuss under this topic, children. You know what is mean by excretion? Yes, of course, elimination of nitrogenous waste or metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. What is metabolic waste or nitrogenous waste? You know, in our body, in each and every cell there are many metabolic activities have taken place for the purpose of growth, reproduction and various energy production purpose. During this process there is a production of waste material. If this waste material stay in our body, it leads to harmful effect. So it should be eliminated from our body, and this elimination is done by excretory system. So excretory system also plays an important role in maintaining the homeostasis conditions of our body. What does mean by homeostatic condition? It is nothing but keeping body in good condition is called homeostatic condition. So when excretory system perform its function perfectly, then our body will be in a homeostatic condition. That means it will be in good condition. Okay children. So what are the waste material are removed by excretory system? Urea, ammonia, carbon dioxide, waste product, waste water, waste salt are eliminated through the excretory system from our body. Okay, what are the excretory organs present in our body? See, in our body the main excretory system is kidney. The main excretory organ is kidneys. There are a pair of kidney which are located on the lower abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. So other than kidney, some other organs also involved in the excretion. What are the other organs which are involved in the excretion? One is skin. Skin remove the waste material in the form of sweat. Another one is lungs. Lungs remove the waste material in the form of carbon dioxide and water. So like that, from our body waste materials are released by skin and lungs. And what about kidney? Kidney remove the metabolic or nitrogenous waste material in the form of urea, and this is the main function of kidney. Okay children, and what are the organs involved in the excretory system? In our excretory system there are a pair of kidney which are located on either side of the vertebral column in the lower abdominal region, and the kidney is joined with a pair of ureters or urinary tube which joins in the urinary bladder, and urinary bladder opens out through the urethra. This is what the general organs present in the excretory system. Apart from this, in each kidney there are millions of units called nephrons. These units perform the filtration of urine from waste product from the blood and form the urine that we will discuss later in a detailed manner about formation of urine. Okay children, so that's it about an overall view of the excretory system. Okay, let's enter into the text. Metabolic activities continuously takes place in living cells. All metabolic products produced by the biochemical reactions are not utilized by the body because certain nitrogenous toxic waste substances are also produced. They are called excretory products. In human being, urea is the major excretory product. The tissues and organs associated with the removal of waste product constitute the excretory system. Okay, so metabolic activities continuously takes place in living cell. Yes, of course, all our cells of our body, the metabolic activities are continuously taken place. All metabolic products produced by the biochemical reactions are not utilized by the body. So, during the metabolic activities, there are many substances or byproducts are produced. All the products are not utilized by our body. Why? Because there are some toxic substance in this toxic substance are produced during this metabolic activities. This toxic substance will not stay in our body. If it stay in our body, it leads to harmful effect. So these waste products should be eliminated from the body, and this waste product are called nitrogenous toxic called urea. So that's what here it's saying. In human being, urea is the major excretory product. The tissues and organs associated with the removal of waste product constitute the excretory system. And those tissues and organs which are involved in the excretion of urea are called the excretory system. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidney which produce the urine, a pair of ureters which conduct the urine from kidneys to the urinary bladder, where urine is stored temporarily, and urethra through which the urine is voided by bladder contraction. Okay, so the human excretory, what are the organs present in the human excretory system? Next one, the human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, I said already, which are located in the abdomen region on either side of the vertebral column, and which produce the urine. And a pair of ureters. What is the function of, so kidney produce the urine, and what is the function of ureter, which conduct the urine from kidney to the urethra, urinary bladder. So the ureter is the tube-like structure which conduct the urine produced in the kidney to a storage place called urinary bladder. And so already I said urinary bladder, where the urine is stored temporarily. So once the urine is filled in the urinary bladder, that urine is excreted out through the urethra. So this is what the various organs involved in the excretory system of human. If the waste products are accumulated and not eliminated, they become harmful and poisonous to the body. Hence, excretion plays an important role in maintaining the homeostatic condition of the body. This already said. And some of the excretory organs other than kidney, that too I discussed with you. That is, the major excretory organ in our body is kidney, and some of the excretory organs other than kidneys are skin. What is the function of skin? The skin remove a small amount of water, urea and salt in the form of sweat. And next one is lungs. How lungs takes place or involved in the function of excretion? It eliminates the carbon dioxide and water vapor through the exhaling process. So these are the various excretory organs present in our body. Let's see about the skin in detail. Skin is the outermost covering of the body. It stretches all over the body in the form of a layer. It accounts for 15% of an adult's human body weight. There are many structures and glands derived from the skin. It eliminates metabolic waste through perspiration. Okay, skin is the outermost covering, that all you know very well, and it stretches over our body in the form of layer, and it accounts for 15% of an adult human body weight. So there are many structures and glands derived from the skin. So mammary glands, sweat glands, these are the glands are derived from the skin. It eliminates metabolic waste through the perspiration, that is in the form of sweat. The human body function normally at a temperature of about 37 degrees Celsius. When it gets hot, sweat glands start secreting sweat. So children, in human body, all the metabolic function will be efficiently takes place at a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. When it gets hot, sweat glands start secreting sweat, which contains water with small amounts of other chemicals like ammonia, urea, lactic acids and salts, mainly sodium chloride. The sweat passes through the pores in the skin and gets evaporated. Next one is kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs, reddish brown in color. Kidneys lie on either side of the vertebral column in the abdominal cavity, attached to the dorsal body wall. So the right kidney is placed lower than the left kidney as the liver takes up the much space on the right side. Each kidney is about 11 cm long, 5 cm wide, 3 cm thick. The kidney is converted by a layer of fibrous connective tissue, the renal capsules, adipose capsules and fibrous membrane. Okay, hope you have to understand about this paragraph, children. What is the shape of the kidney, what color is it, where it is located, and why right side of the kidney is placed lower than the left side of the kidney, and what is its size, and what are the tissues are made of by the kidney. All the things are discussed in this paragraph. And next we will see the structure of kidney. Internally, the kidney consists of an outer dark region, the cortex, and an inner lighter region, the medulla. Both of these regions contain uriniferous tubules or nephron. Actually, the kidney consists of two regions. One is outer region, another one is inner region. The outer region of the kidney is cortex and the inner region of the kidney is medulla. Then both of this region, that is both outer cortex and inner medulla region, consist of an uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Already I said about this nephron, children. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Already in the beginning of this excretory system itself, I have discussed with you that kidney produces urine. Okay, kidney alone will not produce the urine, children. Kidney consists of millions of units called nephrons. These nephrons, each and every nephrons will involve in the filtration of urine, and inside the nephron the filtration has taken place. Finally urine is formed and urine is collected out through the ureters. So who will do the urine filtration inside the kidney? Nephrons. Nephron consists of various regions that we will discuss under the topic nephron. So now we can understand that each kidney, that is both outer cortex and inner region, consists of uriniferous tubules or nephrons. The medulla consists of multitubular conical masses called the medullary pyramids or renal pyramids, whose bases are adjacent to cortex. So the medulla consists of multitubular conical masses. Inner medulla consists of a conical shaped structure. This is called what? Renal pyramids, and its bases are adjacent to the cortex. That is, the base of the pyramids are nearer to the outer cortex region. On the inner concave side of the kidney, a notch called hilum is present, through which a blood vessels and nerve enters in urine in and the urine leaves out. Okay, so inner concave side of each kidney consists of a notch. Thus this notch is called a hilum, then through which hilum blood vessels and nerves are enter inside and urine leaves outside. So this is about what structure of kidney. Next we will discuss about ureters. Ureters are thin muscular tubes entering out from the hilum. Urine enters the ureters from the renal pelvis and is conducted along the ureter by peristaltic movement of its wall. The ureters carry urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. So ureters, about ureters are thin muscular tube which are emerging out from the kidney through the region called hilum. Urine enters the ureter from the renal pelvis and is conducted along the ureter by a peristaltic movement of its wall. What is meaning of peristaltic movement of its wall? See, in ureter is a tube-like structure. This tube-like structure, conduct urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. That you know very well. So, meanwhile, how the urine is passed through the urinary tubes or through the ureters. It is nothing but by peristaltic movement. What does mean by peristaltic movement? Inside the ureters, the muscles are present inside the ureter, or the ureters are lined with the muscles. The ureters are lined with the muscles. This inner muscles contract and relax, contract and relax. This continuous rhythmic fashion of contraction and relaxation is called what? Peristaltic movement. By this peristaltic movement, the urine is passed through the urinary tube and reach the urinary bladder. That's what. Next, about urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a sac-like structure which lies in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. It stores urine temporarily. So next, about urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a sac-like structure and its function is temporarily storing the urine. Its function is storing the urine for temporary period. And where it is located? It is located in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. Okay, that's it. Next one is urethra. Next one is urethra. Urethra is a membranous tube which conducts urine to the exterior. The urethral sphincter keep the urethra closed and open only at the time of micturition. What is meant by micturition? Urination, that is expelled out of urine, is called what? Urination or micturition. So urethra is a membranous tube. It is a membranous tube. What is its function? Which conduct urine to the exterior. And urethral sphincter keep the urethra closed and open. Usually the sphincters is a valve-like structure which keep the opening of the urethra whether it is closed or open. When it keep it in open condition, when a micturition is taken place, the urethra's sphincters in open condition. This is about what? Urethra. So children, see, you can refer the diagram when you go through this topics. Okay. And next topic is structure of nephron. Children, the structure of nephron I will discuss with you in my next class, and before that I want to discuss with you about the functions of kidney. It is a 4-mark question, children. Since it has 4 points, you will have it as a 4-mark question. Maintains the fluid and electrolytes balance in our body. So what does mean by maintains the fluid and electrolytes balance in the body? So fluid, there is a constant concentration of all the fluid present in our body. This concentration should be maintained by the kidney, and electrolytes, salt-base balance, all maintained by the kidney. Regulate acid-base balance of blood. Maintain the osmotic pressure in the blood and tissues. Help to retain the important plasma constituents like glucose and amino acids. So these are the functions of kidney. So it is a 4-mark question, children. Bracket it, and your homework will be functions of kidney, 4-mark question. Explain the structure of kidney with diagram. Only these 2 questions you will have as a 2-mark question, children. Complete it and send it to me. I will get you in my next session. Bye.